Hey guys, how's it going? I hope you guys can hear me okay. Just want to do a quick video here. As you know, um, I'm still studying for the CCNP certification, and I did pass my CCNA certification. So first of all, welcome to my channel here. If you haven't already, hopefully if you want to watch more videos, you can go ahead and subscribe below. And I like to make some more videos in the future about networking and different stuff like that. Hopefully it's pretty cool. But anyways, I'm gonna do a quick video here about troubleshooting a network topology, and I'm gonna use packet tracer. So just gonna go a couple of steps, like some scenarios that I use for a quick understanding the network. And first of all, I'm gonna go ahead and let this network converge. As you can see right away, right off the bat, you see some access layers right here. These will be layer 3 switches, and you can see
a notification from ESPN saying Chargers video.
And here you can see distribution center, distribution layer, and you got your core layer and your BGP routing. Hold on, let me turn off this phone. Okay, well, so let's see what we have our scenario. Well, it says here client 1 is unreachable to the external web server. Well, external web server is right here, as you can see. So the first thing I'll do for troubleshooting is I will definitely bring up the user and go ahead and do an IP config. And I notice they could connect to the gateway. I will ping that gateway, see if it's still active. As you can see, I'm getting a reply. So everything was 100%. As a network administrator or network technician or network engineer, you will have access and you will have documentations about all this information. So if you know your gateway is good, you could automatically count all this information. Well, you can't fully count it out, but your gateway will be right here if you're the IT guy and you know where the gateway is at. So I will go into the gateway switch or layer 3 switch, and I would go ahead and try to ping the server and see what information I get. Okay, it's unreachable. You see these U's here. Okay, well, that's not totally bad. That means it's getting there, and wherever it's getting, it's giving me a message back that it's unreachable. So what I like to do is I like to do a trace route and do the 209.65.200.241, and let's see what I get here. Okay, so you can see it got held up on the 10 network. Pretty simple, right? Typically an IT network administrator or network engineer will know right away where the 10 network's at, because everything will be documented, and I know where the 10 network's at. But if you don't know where it's at and you just want to know where it's at, well, you could come here and it says 10.141915. Well, it's stopped on 11. That is 4 hops away. So if you're here, that's 1, 2, 3, 4 hops away. If you hover over here, you will see the 10.1. Well, if you look, it's on serial 000. That's the 10 network. I will come into this router 1. First thing I will do is try to ping 209.65.200 41. Okay, this seems to be the problem. What I would do, 10.2.1.3, see if I can go back. Ping 10.2.1.3. See if this could actually go back. As you can see, it was successful. So I just broke it down right there. The problem has to be on this interface or something with the configuration. Show IP interface brief. I can't even type again. So you got your interfaces. There's a 10.1. That's up. It's stopping here, but it could go back. So it's not the 10.1. We're having trouble with this right here. We're having trouble, definitely having trouble with this one. It looks like it's up, but we don't know the whole protocol. So let's do a show IP route. A lot of information here you can see right away. There is no gateway of last resort. I see that right out. Well, there is, but it's going nowhere. It's going out. Let me look. Okay, you got a static route. Okay, hold on. Let me do a show. Question mark. Show IP. See what we got here. Bgp Neighbors. Okay, form is a neighboring route access active. Okay, I'm looking for. We're obviously having some issues here. Yeah. Okay. Show run. See what we got here. Let's go down to the routing. Double check everything. Most likely it's going to be this BGP, I think. And oh, I see it right here. Okay, I see it. Okay, so the network is 209.65.200 224/30 65. I see it right here. You're telling the neighbor is 56, so that is the wrong information. That's an easy fix. And I have to go into router BGP 65001. Whoop. I spelled router wrong. Router BGP, and it's going to be a 65001, and I do not want this. Copy that, paste that in there, put a no, and this should be an easy fix. Just take out the 65, the 56, and put a 65. As you can see, the adjacency broke. Let me go ahead and try that out. Give it a ping. To successful. Okay, so I will come back to this client here and make sure they can ping, and that should be it. Let's see if everything is good. It looks like we got a reply. So I'm just kind of giving you a quick idea how to troubleshoot fast as possible. So you're gonna go ahead and start from. You always start from your endpoints, your access points, and see where you can go. I would start off on the actual PC that don't work and see if it gets to the even gateway. And sometimes it can't even get to the gateway. If it don't even get to the gateway, you know your issues in here in this area. If it does get into the gateway, you got to your gateway, but you can't get out to the internet. So it could be somewhere in here. And if you have document, it could be your EIGRP, it could be your areas, if you have OSPF, or if you have any IPv6. For this instance, it was your actual border router, your your BRG, your border router, and it was your border gateway protocol, the BGP. Everything was good. The only problem was you were advertising your network wrong. Instead of 209.65.200.224, you were advertising 209.56. So simple mistake. And another key, if this interface or this part was out, it wouldn't just be one PC. Obviously, it will be every single PC in your organization, and that will be a very quick indicator that your border router is definitely down. So if you like this, and if you want me to show you some configurations or anything, go ahead and subscribe, and talk to you guys later. And